가자.
Mushroom chocolate. Put the
Me.
Why?
You don't like it?
Like it.
가자. 나가자. Good morning. Oh my gosh, chaos. Let's go. Let's eat. Playground.
We are
Hi.
done.
What did you make?
This is Among Us, and this is the hot dog, a long hot dog. I just made it. These are the breads, and they're gonna be a baby.
What do you mean? These are just bread.
And then this little fish, a died fish,
What?
because it just died because it cooked. And this is the heavy thing like this. Ow!
Can I see? Can I see, Jun? And then this also work out. We made it. Jun, what do you think of the fish? Is it ugly?
Yes.
What?
Just kidding.
Don't bother them. You gotta cook.
Nice.
No, we gotta put it in the oven and make it into magnets, okay?
Okay.
June. We have to go do your hair like this.
I can't see.
된장국 and 계란.
Wash your
된장국에 계란. Oh, go wash your hands, Jun. Jun, can you do the seatbelt, please? His favorite dog man. Each of them is like $12 or more, but we bought 6 of them for $24.
That's 9.
Good job. Here you go. Let's go. I think I'm gonna go work on the YouTube vlog, and June is going to be doing his hair permit. You need to think of the inspo though. Water's okay? 네. He's scared. 간지러워? 아, 괜찮아. Ooh, Jun's hair. Jun, what are you watching? Jun, looks like space. Oh, don't turn around. Don't turn around. Look at the mirror. 그럼 왜 그거 골랐어? Save it. No, I'm gonna throw it away. Last schedule of the day. We're at the thrift store. Go wash your hands. You wanna use this? 가자. You wanna go see toys first? This is all. Mommy went to another store where there was more toys. This is cute. Cute.
There's nothing on it.
Yeah. Buy it. Let's see. June, you wanna buy that one?
Yeah.
The math? Okay, let's go. We're gonna go look at clothes and go, okay? Okay. 뭐야, 이거 좀 완전 귀여워. 귀엽지? Maybe for Hazel, right? June. You want it?
Yeah.
It says you look sus.
It looks sus.
Okay, Mama will look through everything.
You look
Okay?
sus.
You look sus. You look sus. You. I'm filming you.
Honestly. Okay, so we are gonna do pop it, pop it, pop it, pop it, pop it, pop it, pop it.
이거 해줘 카메라. How about this, June?
No.
Why? Ghostbusters. June, there's a hamburger costume.
No.
What is this? I don't know. Elf? Quick thrift haul. First of all, I bought this, the Christmas card. But look at how many cards we have. They even have like these stickers. Next one. Of course, June had to get this Among Us t-shirt. He really likes Among Us. June spotted this new t-shirt from Nickelodeon, SpongeBob. Hello. 오빠도 그만. 이거 봐. 이거 어때? 이거 이뻐? 자, 이것도 샀어. 짠! 아이 귀여워. Ooh, so cute. And June really wanted this cup. Lego cup. It was $5. This top for Joon, Ghostbusters. It's a cute coat for Hazel. This is a flannel, actually like really nice quality. I really like it. It looked really good with the jeans I was wearing. So, and then the last one, I'm gonna do ugly sweater, Christmas sweater. So I bought this. Ooh, it's not that ugly, but boopy, boopy, boop, boop. Day 2 of June not going to school. Actually, it's the last day this week. So one of the school moms arranged an ice skating class meet, I think. So we're gonna go see. Wow, we're inside. Go Kings, go. Wow. We got the seal. Wow. Maybe we should sign up for the class. Nah, we're gonna go to her birthday party tomorrow.
We're gonna buy her a unicorn.
I already did. Unicorn, camera.
No, we're gonna buy a squishmallow.
No, we already bought it.
You already bought that?
Yeah.
No, the squishmallow.
No?
Why did you buy the camera?
Because I like the camera.
Don't buy a camera. When I was kindergarten, I did this.
Last year, yeah. You remember we went to like outside ice rink thingy?
Yeah,
And there are a lot of people during Christmas.
What are you looking at?
You?
아이고.
Bye.
아 잠깐 기다 같이 가. 아까.
Try it. Jun, you're walking. Why are you walking?
My
You're
hands
basically
are so frozen.
Me too.
really? Jun, why were you walking inside ice rink? Jun, how was today? Did you like it? You wanna take a lesson? Yeah? Okay, let's. 괜찮아? 이제 괜찮아?
까까.
깎아 먹을 거야 이제? 의사 선생님 해줬어?
이제 중요한 거잖아. 이제.
우와 이서 빨리
I want stickers.
이서
I want stickers.
Me too.
You want stickers?
Good morning. We have this mattress on here because we usually unfold it on here and then like they want us to all sleep together. Hazel! I found you guys.
We're gonna call Daddy.
다시 해. 아빠 부르게.
Okay.
Do it again.
아빠.
빨리 들어가 있어.
See you, Hazel.
Guys.
You guys okay?
June, what are you doing? June, can you show me your outfit today? 짠. Hazel, what are you doing? 그거 왜 해? 아! June, why are you taking video like that?
There's two of them. Which one is the real one?
아빠 물 줄까?
우리 어디 가요? 한글학교. Who farted? It smells so bad. 이사 방귀 꼈어? 이사 방귀 꼈어? 준서가 이거 카메라 찍어봐 이사.
Hazel, did you find it? Did you find it?
아니야? No. Mommy cut bangs today and it looks really ugly. Bye, 준. 학교 잘 갔다 와. 좀 이따 봐. I love you.
어떡해?
아빠 다시 올 거야, 이서.
좀 이따 보자.
같이 가고 싶어? 아빠 다시 올 거야. 아빠 다시 와서 같이 우리 쇼핑하러 갈 거야. 알겠지? 밥 먹고. 귀여워. 이서 이거 봐. Just like usual, we're gonna get Phil's coffee. I wanna get rid of my TikTok.
Exercise.
No, surgery. TikTok surgery. 이서. 영. Oh, baby monster. Oh, baby monster. He gave me the look.
난
The baby monster 그 아이돌 이름인데?
베이비 몬스터의 아이돌 이름이야?
You don't know baby monster?
Why would? How would I
YG, YG the new one.
know? Oh, thank
Thank you. Hello.
Hiya.
What's your name? Hazel. 짠, 이거 엄마 안 들었어. 포토카드. 이사. 오빠. 준서가 이거 다르래 오늘. This one. 이사. anthropology다. Can we go? Ooh, I wanna see the back charms. 얼마일까? 150불. How cute. Let's guess how much this is. 70.
95.
It's 60. Oh, cheaper than I thought.
Oh, okay.
갑자기.
Now we have to buy it.
Yeah. Oh, not bad. You got sales section. Obviously, we love sales section. Candles. These used to be very popular. Back charms. Don't ask me. These are all back charms.
저게?
Cute. Yeah.
진주 목걸이인데?
No, you put it on the bag.
Wow.
Oh, it's kind of cute though.
Very interesting.
I kind of like this. 25. 28. 웬만하면 28이구만. I don't think it's alive. Cockroach. Hi, I think it's getting suntan. Let's go away. Scary.
It's so funny. Why are you taking a video?
Because it's so big. You
It
never
is.
see that big of a cockroach in the middle.
You're tired of communicating obvious shit.
Yeah. 미니소 가서 미리 사놓을까 스펀지밥 그거? 레고? For Christmas?
That's pretty good, yeah. I think Target's left, so Uniqlo should be right next to it.
Yes,
And then
right
Lego
there.
shop will be upstairs.
Ooh. Yes, these pants were expensive, $50.
That's
Dun dun dun. Okay, I think we're gonna buy this. It's $20 right now. Large. 이거 입어볼래? Oh, there's another version too. Oh, this is back. 까까 타임. 어. 까까 맛있다? 귀여워.
나쁘죠?
괜찮은데? 나쁘지 않지 않아? 어. 응? 이거 오빠야? 아니야? 오빠 얼굴이 없어. 얼굴이 없어. What?
So I was thinking getting like a macaroni, and then you provide it.
Babe,
It's like
why
food,
didn't you?
drinks.
It's supposed to be potluck?
He said potluck style, but you could bring like drinks, food. I just.
Okay, we're supposed to go to this his ex-coworker's birthday party / his birthday party. Everyone has the same birthday party. I was like, okay, where is it? It's like 1 hour away. Okay, and he just told me that it's supposed to be potluck. I'm gonna look like a really bad person. Apparently, Labubu, these are really popular. I think it's a Chinese character. I don't know.
Super cute.
So cute. 이거 봐, 너무 귀엽다. 좀 이상하게 생겼는데. 스펀지밥이다. 귀엽네.
Wow.
엄청 귀엽다.
Why are they so like cute? What's going on?
진짜 귀여워. I want all of them. for no
Is this all
reason.
random?
Babe, they look like Joon and Hazel when they're like destroying everything. Like so many cute things in the world.
얘는 근데 진짜 레고가 아니잖아, 그치?
니클로리언. 근데 이런 캐릭터 없을걸 레고에도?
없을 거야.
근데 이것도 다 여기에 나오는 거네. Extra characters.
Oh my gosh.
That's so cute. Always surprised how they have K-beauty here. Like this is all K-beauty too. 레고? 레고야? 오빠 사줄 거야, 오빠. You look so happy.
Yes, I'm actually really happy. Shopping therapy.
See?
It's real.
Retail therapy is real.
Hey, go this way.
Work. 이거 어디가?
어디가?
근데 너무 예쁘다. 짠!
Okay, well.
You have so many things. Can you pack it in your bag? Pack it in your bag. No! 준, 빨리. 우와, 다시 해봐. And then, yeah, wow, so good. Okay, let's go. We have Joon now. Dun. We're gonna go to Mama Lu, which is like Chinese restaurant. Like really good food. And we're gonna be broke again.
Yes.
We're always broke.
What about Lego shop?
No Lego shop.
Mine.
That's for your Christmas.
Oh my god.
Yesterday, like at 4 p.m.
Is there a waiting list?
또 보고 싶을 거 아니야?
Yay! We are in here.
흰쌀밥이랑 해서 먹으면 있을 거야.
Okay. Dumpling, spicy wonton, beef wrap.
아 너무 먹고 싶었어 이거.
Yeah, he's been saying Mama Lu for like really long time.
아 진짜.
왜 그래? 뭐 먹었어 이거? 뭐 먹었어? 이거 먹었어? 그러니까 엄마가 이거 먹지 말라니까. She just spilled all water. Oh, look at the size. Wow. Beef soup. Yes. Hazel, stop.
And he's
엄마 줄까? 줄게.
괜찮아.
너무 맛있다.
오리온까지 해서 진짜.
Eat the dumpling that you pay for it. Inside the sauce super hot.
인사이드 소스.
Yeah. Okay.
谢谢. 맛있겠다. Wow. Look at the beef wrap. Wow. Finally spicy.
와.
Good job. Wow. 최고. Good morning. Hello. 아, 이뻐. 오빠 한글학교 데려다 줬대요. 우리 밥 먹으러 가자. Bread in and out, baby. 안녕. You got the stickers. 스티커다. She got the stickers. 아빠 또 빼줘? 빼? Today's Saturday, another day. Dropped off Joon at Hangrakyo Korean School, but usually I come with my husband. But he has dentist appointment, so I just brought Hazel. We were 10 minutes late again. Oh yeah, this is the outfit of the day. Hazel had a sweater on, but she threw a lot of fit today. Grumpy baby. 우땅. 그게 뭐야? 그게 뭐야? 봐봐. Let's do what's in our ginormous kids like baby bags. It's so heavy. I don't even know what's in here. This is her sweater she was wearing. We always have extra clothes for her, so extra clothes. Oh, this is so heavy. Kaka for Hazel. Another set of kaka for Hazel. More extra clothes. I'm gonna put in here. Oh my gosh, more clothes. I think these diapers. We're gonna try to do potty training maybe in November when she turns 1. Oh my god, why is there so many snack bags? 우유. 가방 좀 넣게. Oh no. 엄마 줄게. 이렇게. 빨대 줄까? 빨대? 빨대. 맛있어? We're done. We're actually not done. She didn't finish it. Hazel. Baby, 이모차 탔어. Let's go. 저거? 해골. 해골. Hi skeleton. 무서워. 무서워? Hazel, 그거 샀어? 우와. 오, Five Below. 할 수 있어? 할 수 있어. 오이. Cute squashmallows. So cute. Wow, Halloween stuff. I kind of want this. 이거 봐, 이서. Oh, Harry Potter. Hi. Oh, I saw people doing Hello Kitty driving cup. Ooh, bread cup. 그렇게 할 거야? Baby. 귀여워. 뭐 샀다? 뭐 샀다? 아직 가면 안 돼요.
Okay, so we're gonna open this cute little pet store. We're gonna make it today. So let's do this. What is it? How do you open it? Pet store time. Aww.
짠.
Let me see that.
보여주세요. 안녕.
A few moments later.
Aww. We have a pet now. And dog is bothering me. What is his name?
I don't know.
Tuka. Tired. Hazel, we're trying to rest. 오빠 왜 때려? 이제 오빠 때렸어? 아, Hazel, Joon. Spaghetti, old 돼지고기, 된장국. Also, we posted the 아파트 trend, and our views has been so bad. Like, it's not even funny. I don't know what's happening.
But yes, we are ready to eat. Hooray!
Joon is just having fun with them.
애들도 뭐 좋아해줘야 돼?
Baby. 마냐. 어디서 기다리지? Where do we wait?
근데 왜 이렇게 얼굴이 안 달라졌어?
Wait, do that again.
하이파이브! 다시 하이파이브! 하이파이브! 아! 엄마도. 아, 다시. 야! 오! 엄마도. 아! 엄마 거. 큐트.
뭐야?
빨대.
아빠다.
아빠 거.
I want to report.
됐다. 끝, 아빠. Finally.
No.
Can we all sit down and have peaceful moments? 엄마 찾고 있었어? 귀여워. 안아줘? 이사 뭐 할 거야? 자 놀아. 꺼내. 꺼내. 뭐 하고 놀까요? 오이고. 어떤 거? 이거? 이거. 감사합니다. 감사합니다. She wants to 양치. 두 개 다 할 거야? 치크치크치크 해야지. 먹지 말고 치크. Using this kind kombu jelly oil cleanser. 굿모닝 치즈. 잘 잤다? 여기? 아빠도 잘 잤어? 귀여워. What? No. 다 먹었네. 귀여워. Finally inside the car. Very hectic. 준서 outfit today inspired by Joon from TXT. Cute. Bye.
얼마나 잘하는데요?
언니들 다. Hazel. We got cash now.
What? Why?
So we're eating here.
Yay!
You like this food?
Yes.
Okay. 오빠 안녕.
For me?
Yeah. 이제 밥 먹고. 너는 밥 먹고.
It was my food.
맛있지?
근데 안 다쳤는데 밴드 다 붙인 거잖아 너가. 아야 했어. 누가 밴드 붙였어?
아빠가.
아빠가 붙였어? 잘했어. 귀여워. 귀여운데? 치즈. 스핀.
3.
3. 1, 2, 3.
또 파이 던지기.
들어오해.
You're supposed to throw one,
들어오해.
but
Hazel.
이사. 안녕. 아 예뻐. Okay. Yes. Yay, we won finally. This took forever. Woo, high five. High five. 아, 다시. 아. Okay, you need this and then pop. That's it. 설탕 안 넣었다, 설탕. 오. 어, 오케이. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum. Joon, look at this. Try it. Rice. 맛있는데. 맛있다, 이사?